everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will talk about the important books for the MBBS first year. Before moving into the videos, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe it because we bring very important and informative videos for the MBBS student. So firstly, congratulations to all the first year students. By the time you already know that there are three subjects in first year. First is anatomy, second is biochemistry, and third is physiology. And in anatomy, you get more subdivisions of this subject. First, you will get osteology, gross anatomy, histology, embryology, general anatomy, and radiology. So these all are the divisions of the anatomy. Okay. Now, moving into the books for the gross anatomy. For gross anatomy, the main book or the holy book, that is B.D. Chaurasia's book. Okay, you will get 4 volumes of the B.D. Chaurasia's book. First for the upper limb and thorax, second for the lower limb, abdomen and pelvis, third for the head, neck and face, and fourth for the neuroanatomy. Okay, so these 4 volumes you get for the B.D. Chaurasia's book. Other two options I will give you more for gross anatomy. Second is the A.K. Datta's book, and the third one is the Vishram Singh's book. Okay, now if you people want to know more about anatomy or more details about any of the topic, then obviously there is Gray's Anatomy, and you can follow the Gray's Anatomy for students. Okay, so for the neuroanatomy, I want to suggest more books other than B.D. Chaurasia. If you are following B.D. Chaurasia's book, then for neuroanatomy, I will prefer that if you follow the Vishram Singh's neuroanatomy or Shamardev neuroanatomy. I highly recommend Shamardev neuroanatomy because it's very helpful and it is written in point wise with very beautiful diagrams in it. Okay. Now moving into the general anatomy, if you have not gone to college till now, so you can do one thing. You can at least buy the books of general anatomy or download the PDF and go through the general anatomy book because it contains the topics of what is bone, what is nerve, what is muscle, and the blood supply of bones and all other things. Okay, so you can continue reading these books as of now. So I have two options for this, that is B.D. Chaurasia's Handbook of General Anatomy and Vishram Singh's General Anatomy book. So you can buy any one of them, no problem. Okay, now next for the histology. Histology means microscopic anatomy, what you see under a microscope. Okay, so for this you can follow the Inderby Singh's a histology book, because in this book from the personal experience I'm saying you, because it has very nice diagram, what exact diagram as you see in the under the microscope. Even you have the identification point in the examination hall or everywhere, you have to write the identification point, so very nicely the identification points are given. Okay, now for the embryology, there are two options. Again, in the base things, human embryology you can follow. For the embryology, it's good. Otherwise, you can follow the Langman's medicine embryology. Any one of them you can choose. Now moving into the osteology part. Osteology means the study of bones. Okay, for that obviously you need to have a bone set, your own bone set. And second is that B.D. Chaurasia and Vishram Singh's for gross anatomy you are reading any one of the books, so that book will be enough for the osteology part. Okay, so you can you don't have to buy any other book for osteology, but if you want to buy so you can, but I will suggest not to buy because BDC's and Vishram Singh's books is enough for osteology because it has very nice diagrams with attachment and very nice explanation. I hope you can understand from there. Okay, so if you want to know anatomy very better way, so you need to must carry an atlas obviously, because atlas will have a very real time diagram. Whatever you will see in the dissection hall, so you will not forget if you see atlas once. Okay, so for this atlas there are two options I will give you, that is Neta Atlas of Human Anatomy, you can buy, very nice book. And second option is Thames Atlas of Anatomy. Okay, so any both of the from both of the atlas. You can buy atlas or you can download the PDF, anything you wish. Okay, so this all are the thing for the anatomy I suggest you. Now moving into the physiology part. Okay, so for the physiology you have theory and practical both. For the theory, you need to follow, there are a lot of options actually. So you can follow Shambulingam, GK Pal, AK Jain, Guyton and Hall, anything. Other options, if you don't want to read it in more detail, then there are more two books, that is Debashish Pramanik's book. Our second one is the Mahapatra's book. So both of them you can read. Otherwise, if you want to read in more details or you want to know more about physiology, because physiology is very interesting subject. So Shambulingam you can follow, Guyton and Hall you can follow. Okay. Now for the practical book for the physiology, GK Pal, AK Jain, both of them has the practical book, and the last option is the CL Ghai's textbook of practical physiology. So I highly recommend CL Ghai book because it has really the diagram given, the real time diagram. Okay, how you can measure pulse and everything. So GK Pal also it has the real time diagram, so you can follow any of the practical books. Okay, so these all are the physiology part. Now for the biochemistry, if you want to read in more details detailing biochemistry, then obviously you can follow Harper. Okay, otherwise you can follow Rafi, Satyanarayan or Vasudevan. Okay, so Rafi, Satyanarayan, Vasudevan, these all are the best for the biochemistry. Now last but not the least, I want to give you some tips. What are the tips for the for buying books? So the first tip is that already have seen a lot of videos, I guess, for the books for the first year. You have consulted your seniors also, but they will also give you a lot of options, right? So don't get confused. All the books are important in their own way. Just what you need to do first: join the college, consult your professors, your seniors, and then whatever books they suggest, or the YouTubers or the videos you are seeing they suggest, do one thing: make a list of it. You can download the PDF, obviously. Don't waste the money as of now. First download the PDFs, read the books nicely. You can understand the language of the books or not, so check that and then go for a book. For the costly books, okay, for like the Grey's Anatomy for students or Harper, you can do one thing, that the 2 or 3 friends of you all can collect the money and you can buy in sharing. Now that is the first tip: don't waste your money now. So second tip is that whenever you join the college, try to study in a group of 2 3 4 5 or more, but try to read in a group, because group study is very important for the medical life or medical MBBS life. Means the osteology part especially the bones which you will get. So if you read it in a group, so I think it will be better for you. Now third tip is that the bone set. Okay, so bone set you will get from your seniors of your college or other colleges, so you can consult them and you can do one thing: you can buy it in a group of 2 3 people, or you can have your own unilateral, bilateral, whatever you wish. Okay, and the last but not the least, I wish all of you all the best for your future. Try to work hard and you will achieve your goal. Thank you. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, comment below, share with your friends, all the first year MBBS students, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.